Hi everybody, it's Laura. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you for joining me for a rewind monthly plan with me, or rewind monthly plan. I don't know what I'm saying. We're planning July, not planning, that'd be like forward thinking. We're doing memory keeping for July. There we go. Sorry for that super awkward intro. Welcome to my life. We are in my B6 ring planner, and these inserts are from Jasenia Printables. They should be linked down below. My kit, as I have been doing all year, is from my newest addiction. I'm really excited, you guys. Like, this little flip of all my newest addiction kits is so pretty. And this is the July one. I love the powder blue in the background. It has super soft pink and like an ivory, and then this like spring green color, and it has silver foil on it. And then you get the clear add-on as well as the date numbers, which also have silver foil. So let me, whoa, this planner's getting so fat. Let me pull this out and we will get started. Oh man. Okay. I have a summer setup video that I'll link up here if you haven't seen that yet. But I did finally change out my my layout for once in my life. I was gonna do it like seasonally, and then I didn't. I don't know. I had like job interviews and all sorts of crazy stuff, so I don't know. It just never happened, and I have finally done it. So there you go. Okay. You could put these washi strips at the bottom, but I do like them at the top. You get clear date overlays, or like day of the week overlays, I guess you could call them. And I like to stick those above, but you could white them out and put the overlay here and just put the washi at the bottom. I did pull out this Simply Gilded washi. It is just the 5mm pink with silver bow. I think it's light enough. I feel like the pink in the kit is a little bit more warm tone, but not like in a peachy sort of way. It's just a warmer pink. This is a very cool tone pink, and I don't know. It should be okay. I think we'll be fine. Okay, so how has your month been? I don't know if I need to wipe that out. I don't think I need to. Nothing's showing through there, so we're gonna go for it. Last month I put this on so crooked, so hopefully we can do better this month. My month has been quiet, I guess is the best way to describe it. My boyfriend has been out of town the entire month, and I haven't seen him, and I'm frustrated and, you know, tired of it and all the things. I don't know. It's just been too long, you know? I can handle so much, and then I get to a breaking point, and I'm way past my breaking point. So I've had a couple of really rough days. But like, what can I do about it, you know? Nothing. If you guys are new here, my boyfriend travels a lot for work. And then he's also selling his house in a different state, so he's gone back and forth for stuff with his house, and I don't know. I can't deal. So yeah, so I was back home in Wisconsin for the first couple days of this month because I was gone for, you know, most of, oops, wrong side. I was gone for most of June. But then I came back on the 2nd of July, so I've been back in town, you know, for basically the whole month, and haven't really done anything. I've decluttered a lot. I'm still in that process. It's still July while I'm filming, but now that I know my boyfriend's not coming home, I know I'm not doing anything, so can y'all tell I'm a little salty? I'm sorry. Yeah, so I'm filming because I enjoy filming and that helps. So there's that. Okay, this is a washi strip from the kit, obviously, and again, because I was out of town those 2 days. Oops. I didn't stick it down all the way because I didn't want it to stick, but then I didn't quite get it. It's a little uneven, like it's cut a little funny, but it's fine. Maybe I'll use the bigger, like a 10mm down here. So do I want the 10mm with like a lacy design or the 10mm bow? I feel like this might be kind of cute. The reflection off this washi is crazy, but I think it's really pretty. Oops, I didn't cut that side. Let's fix that, because otherwise there's no holes, or we're missing a hole. There we go. Alrighty, so I think we're all set up. I'll put the dates on in a little bit. Let's start with some of these clear things, and we'll kind of go through my month. So on the 1st, like I said, I was in Wisconsin. And then on the 2nd, I flew out to come back to Colorado. And we'll put that in a half box. And I'll put the little airplane, oops. Okay, so that is for flying home. This day I just kind of packed and, you know, that sort of thing. And then my brother's birthday is on the 3rd, so there's a little happy birthday box. I think I'm just going to stick it at the bottom. I know whose birthday it is. And then there's an Independence Day sticker for the 4th. And I usually stick the holidays up in the corner. I think our little labels, I normally put these on later, but I feel like it's going to kind of cover. Maybe I can barely cover the E. Okay. Let's see. On the 5th, I got to hang out with one of my good friends that I haven't seen in a few years. She's lived out of state for quite a while, and apparently she's moving back, which is so exciting. But I got to hang out with her because she was in town, so I'm going to put the memories label and write hanging out with her. We didn't do anything like particular, but I got to see her. I normally get together with my friends the 1st Saturday of the month, but nobody was available, so I was like, is anybody available to hang out? And one was like, I have a quinceañera to go to, and one was, I have a hair appointment, and another one was going like hiking or something, and one was in California, and I'm like, okay, fine, I'll be at home if you need me. But yeah, so we didn't hang out then. And then I have Pilates in here that I need to mark, but I never know how I'm going to do that until later, so we'll figure that out later. Let's see. On the 11th, I had a doctor's appointment, and I know there's a little stethoscope in here. And we'll take another box just because I don't have a ton I need to mark, so we'll put it in a box. And that's the last time I'll probably see that doctor because I am moving. So that was sad. She's really sweet. And then let's see. I don't know. I've been marking like Simply Gilded stuff in my planner. So up here on the 4th, we have Simply Gilded new releases. So I'll take a little bow for that. Actually, this will be kind of perfect. I don't know why I've been marking them, but you know, I've written them down. On the 14th, she had a flash sale. And then on the 15th, the pre-sale started. And then it ended the 22nd, but really it's going till the 26th. So I think I'm not going to mark the end of it. But yeah, this is kind of funny. And then on the 16th, I had a phone call with Apple support for my phone, which was silly. I mean, I had a phone call earlier also, but this one I like had pre-scheduled, not just like calling tech support. And then I had some Pilates in there. I was like decluttering this week, and then this week, and then this bottom week hasn't happened yet. But in here, like the bulk of the middle of the month, I was decluttering. On the 21st was my anniversary with my boyfriend, which I didn't get to see him. Go figure, right? But I'll still put it in. I'll put in celebrate, and though we didn't. And I'll put in heart balloons, just cause. Okay, can you even see that? It's like the foil is so bright. Let's see. The 22nd, I had a really, really hard day, and I have little sad munchkins here that I just got in. I've already used one because I had a really hard day. So I had a really hard day the 16th and the 22nd. So I think I'll put, these are not really going to go, but I wonder if I have teenies. Let me look for teenies because I think the colors will be more pastel. That's the only thing I don't like about the munchkins, is that they have the red bow and she uses a lot of brighter colors, and I like much softer colors typically. Okay. Pilates, decluttering. I don't know if I should mark decluttering. Because otherwise I just feel like there's going to be nothing on the spread, but I don't know. Okay, well, we're going to keep going. On the 30th is my first work event thing. We have to go. Oh, I also have, shoot. Okay, so on the 30th, I have orientation at my new school. We're getting keys and computers and walking around the school and that sort of thing. And then we have a training at a different school on this day. But then I also scheduled, because I'm going to be down in that area, I scheduled an apartment tour, because it's like 45 plus minutes away from where I live. So I scheduled an apartment tour this day also. So maybe I'll take the home icon and then put that here. So I'll write my 2 events for work. I wonder if this little like July 2019 would go like over this, but I'm just gonna put it up here. I don't really know where it's supposed to go because it's not like the width of a box, so I don't know. I don't use the August, like the look ahead work. Okay, so I need something to mark Pilates, And then I'm going to look for teenies, and I'm going to go off camera and put the rest of the numbers on because that's tedious. Okay, so I've put a couple extra things in here. I put a random bow up here just because it was cute. I put a clock here for checking in for my flight. The circle hearts are from Clever Gal Crafts, and it is so funny how giant they look on this spread, but whatever. Those are going to mark Pilates. I put in 2 different teeny characters for my 2 like really, really hard days. Let's see, I put the little work script here just because it was cute. And then I put a box here, which I don't normally put anything on these days that are not in the month, but I need to tell my landlords if I'm finishing my lease in September or if I'm going to extend it through October, and that is due by the 1st of August, which is this day in the next month. So I'm just going to write a reminder here about making that decision. So I'm going to zoom you in and fill this out with you. Look at that silver foil, so pretty. This is a like needle nose pen, you know, one of these things from, I don't know, we got it in a Glam Planner subscription like last year or 2 years ago or something, but it's like a really nice fine gel pen. So I'm going to write with that. If it, oh no, I tested this the other day. Oh, I think it's just because I'm writing on, there's something bumpy behind it. Okay, so I think that is my whole spread all filled out. Sorry for the like super glare when I set it down, but tons of foil. I love on this July like all the little like bows and sprinkle. I think it is so pretty. Look at all that foil up there. Super, super pretty. I think this is one of my favorites, especially when it's not like all pink. It's pretty rare that I like... Normally the pink ones are my favorites, but this one is super pretty with the light blue. Obviously I added in more pink, but I still really like it. And at the end of the year, I will do a flip of my B6 planner, and you'll get to see all of the monthlies back to back to back, which is so pretty, having them all be my newest addiction. So yeah, that is my month. Let me know what you guys had going on in July. Anything special pop-up that you didn't mention in a previous video, let me know. Did you take part in the Simply Gilded pre-sale? If so, what did you get? The Haunted Forest ombre bow and simple line were like my top 2 must-haves, but of course I got a bunch of other stuff as well. That will be getting shipped to Tamara, so you won't see that for a long time because I'll be moving in the meantime, so that way I won't have to worry about what address it's going to. And we split washi anyways, so there's that. Okay, so again, this was my July spread. Thank you so much for hanging out with me today. I hope you had a great month, and I will see you in my next video. Have a great one. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Catch you later. Bye-bye.